Introducing the Rolex Yacht-Master 42. Exciting, elegant, and built for the high seas. The Rolex Yacht-Master 42 is a masterpiece of precision and style. Crafted with passion and expertise, the Yacht-Master 42 is the epitome of Rolex's commitment to excellence. Whether you're sailing the open waters or attending a formal event, the Yacht-Master 42 is the perfect companion. The Yacht-Master 42 boasts a self-winding movement, a power reserve of 70 hours, and is water-resistant up to 100 meters. Elevate your style, embrace the spirit of adventure. The Rolex Yacht-Master 42, a symbol of precision and luxury. Make sure to check out our full video on the Yacht-Master. The link will be in the pinned comment.